Today, I'm going to show you how I make a healthy version of a Mexican chamoy sauce and a delicious frozen treat called a mangoneada. That's next. Chamoy is a sweet, tangy, spicy sauce that is used on fruit, chips, nuts, and more. In this recipe, no sweeteners or sugars will be used. The sweet taste is all natural, so you'll want to get the ripest fruit you can. I was lucky in getting these apricots from a friend's tree. Thank you, Stance, for the fruit. When it comes to adding the chili powder, you want to add a half teaspoon at a time till you reach a spice level that you like. Hope you enjoy this recipe and try it out. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego.